So now for the apparitions. So the first apparition is Beware Macduff, beware the Fane of Fire. And the second apparition is No man born by woman shall harm Macbeth. And the third apparition, Be lion melted, proud, and take no care who chafes, who frets until great Burnham woods to high Dunsane hill / shall come against him. So the first apparition, it tells an eager Macbeth to fear Macduff, as that he should be aware of the Fane of Fire, and that he should be aware of Macduff. So yeah, and the second apparition says that no one born by woman should ever hurt Macduff in any way. And yeah, by that they mean that no man should ever hurt Macbeth in any way, really. And the third apparition says that Macbeth is not to fear anyone until that great Burnham woods comes to high Dunsane hill, and that's close to Macbeth's castle. So yeah, he has nothing to fear until that happens, which you could, or you might think would happen at some point. Yeah, so that's the three apparitions that the witches come with. So the conclusion is that Macbeth is blinded by his old boldness and tends to use evil means to break the witches' predictions. Yeah, and Shakespeare uses his style of writing to paint this, or to make this mysterious and occult conception of the witches, which is a true thought to the dominating idea of the witches in the Victorian age, as they were seen as a very dangerous creature. And the theme of the scenes is witchcraft and evil, with the focus on the presentation of the witches in the 17th century. Yeah. And in the manga edition, it's pictures as being very mysterious and dark, and it has this occult feeling. And instead of using language like Shakespeare, where the language sets all the mood and sets the whole theme about Macbeth's adventure, it's the drawings that sets it all in the manga edition. And then Macbeth, as developed to be into being more evil and rude, as he gained power from becoming the king, or from becoming king. So his character has developed in a bad, worse way since he became king.